Happy morning kay LBC! Minabuti po namin gumawa ng video tutorial na ito para magsilbing reference natin sa pag-process ng Abra transactions. Ito po ang ating mga kailangan. Una, ang ating Abra phone. Siguraduhin po na naka-charge ito during operating hours. At alamin po natin ang ating Abra PIN na kailangan sa pag-login. Pangalawa, ang ating cheat sheet. This is provided for all branches. At kung makikita po natin, ito ang ating guide para sa lahat ng denominations, ang service fees, ang mga ang ating VAT at ang VATable amount. Pangatlo, ang ating padded OR. I-issue po natin to sa ating customers sa lahat ng transactions. At ang mga forms na fill upan ng customers. Para sa encashment or withdrawal, encashment form po ang gagamitin. At para sa acceptance or deposit, remittance form naman. Tandaan po natin na sa lahat ng Abra transactions, we conduct KYC. We are responsible to validate the customer's details na makikita po natin sa kanilang valid ID at sa mga nasulat po nila sa remittance forms versus what we will be seeing sa kanilang Abra app. Panoorin po natin ang sample transaction na ito. Kailangan ba lahat ng details?
Yes po.
Magkano yung service fee pag 200?
11.25 ma'am. Bali 200, 11.25 po lahat.
11.25? Yes, ma'am. Ito po.
Pero may isang valid ID ma'am.
Ito.
Ma'am, mag-deposit po kayo no?
Yes po.
Ma'am, pero naman po ng QR code.
Ay, sandali lang.
Sige ma'am.
Ito po.
Thank you ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Marie Joanne Bakod po.
Yes po.
Um, 211.25 ma'am. Ang forward lang po.
Ayan, meron na akong na-receive.
Ay, sorry.
200, 211.25. Ito po.
Ma'am, I see 211.25 po.
Alright. 220 pesos.
Saglit lang po ma'am. Gawin ko lang po na yung receipt ko.
Maaari kayong mag-refer sa cheat sheet sa paggawa ng resibo. Ito po ay sample manual OR entry para sa deposit or acceptance, at ito naman ay para sa withdrawal or encashment.
Ito na po yung resibo niyo po.
Okay.
Pwede niyo po, ma'am. Maraming salamat po.
Para sa end of day reports naman, tandaan po natin ang mga bagay na ito.
Use the CSV file sent at the AbraPhone's Gmail account or at the branch email for your reference. Accomplish the manual daily sales report or the DSR. The following are to be indicated: the total number of transactions for acceptances, encashments, number of units, the service fee excluding VAT, the VAT, and the total fee. Make sure to also indicate the OR series used for all Abra transactions for the day. Make a manual adjustment on the cash management system or the CMS after every successful transaction. For withdrawal or encashment, adjust the other uses and put in the remarks Abra encashment and the total cash amount released for the transactions. For deposit or acceptance, adjust other sources and put in the remarks Abra acceptance and the total cash amount received for the transactions. Attach filled out remittance or encashment forms and padded OR to the manual Abra DSR. For KYC purposes and proper backroom monitoring, please make sure to do the following. Put the DSR with the attached forms and receipts in a dispatch console. Take note to provide the dispatch number with the label Abra Transactions and email to abra_moneybackroom@lbcexpress.com and send to Money Backroom, care of IDA BX Analyst.
At yan po ang buong proseso ng ating Abra product. Thank you so much!